So the galleries provide not only a space for staff and patients to find a quieter and more calming space. They normally come here at a heightened emotional state, just due to their jobs, due to visiting a loved one who's currently in hospital. So it provides a really lovely space for them to come and relax and unwind. The half gallery is the main gallery and it's located in Llandough Hospital. It's very central to the hospital with a lot of footfall from the plaza space, which is used by all passerby, staff, visitors and patients. We've also got the corridor exhibition space, which is located right at the start of the West Corridor in Llandough Hospital. There is a staff room exhibition space. And there's also an exhibition space in Barry Hospital, which is the main waiting corridor of Barry. So the half gallery is normally dedicated for larger group exhibitions or bigger projects that include our staff and patients, and more long-term projects as well. The plaza space and all the other spaces are normally dedicated for either smaller exhibitions or for emerging artists. We welcome everyone from our hospital community, and even if you're a local Cardiff artist, to apply for all our open calls and all the opportunities we've got available. And if you would like to exhibit in any of our spaces, please get in touch.